The sun is already setting and I am here in my garden. And voila! I harvested my red potatoes and my purple potatoes since they are ready to be harvested, and this will be a generous amount. If your potato leaves is looking like this, like they are tilting and they are about to dry up, then that means they are ready. In my case, I harvested this because the potatoes are showing up and there are some potatoes that the bugs already eaten, so it's better to harvest them and leave the damaged one on the ground, let the bugs eat them and get the better ones. And these are my organic potatoes, no chemicals added. So let us wash this potato and let it cure for 2 days before we are going to eat this one. So these are the amount of potatoes that I harvested from my small potato garden. So this is the purple and this is the red. So I harvested this all from my garden, and these are all organic. I am so happy, and I will cure this one for 2 days before I will cook this one or start cooking, and just leave this in my shed and let the air dry this one.